Imagine a day like any other, on the edge of a dense, mysterious jungle. A river flows gently by, setting the rhythm of life for the indigenous people who call this place home. They are busy with their daily chores, blissfully unaware of the stirring drama about to unfold. Suddenly, a tiny speck caught their attention. It was a child, no older than 5, helplessly floating down the river, carried by the currents. The child's silent cry for help echoed through the hearts of the onlookers, sending a chill down their spine. Without missing a beat, a brave soul from the tribe immediately jumped into action. His name was Mato, a strong and fearless man, known for his swift swimming skills. With his heart pounding, he plunged into the river, his eyes focused on the tiny, helpless figure bobbing in the water. The river, usually a friend, now seemed like a formidable foe. Its currents were strong, and it tested Mato's strength and resolve. But there was no room for fear or doubt in Mato's heart. He was on a mission to save a life. With every stroke, he moved closer to the child. His tribe watched from the shore, their hearts in their mouths. The tension was palpable, the silence only broken by the sound of rushing water and Mato's determined strokes. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Mato reached the child. He scooped the little one into his arms and made his way back to the shore, against the formidable currents. His tribe erupted in cheers and sighs of relief as Mato stepped onto the shore, the child safe in his arms. The child, drenched and terrified, clung onto Mato, his savior. The tribe gathered around them, their faces beaming with relief and admiration. This day was no ordinary day anymore. It was a day of bravery, a day of survival, a day that reminded them of the power of community and courage. And so, in the heart of the jungle, by the river that was both a friend and a foe, a young life was saved. And the hero of the day, Mato, stood tall, a symbol of courage and resilience, with the saved child in his arms. Today, a potential tragedy turned into a tale of triumph, a testament to the indomitable human spirit. In the grand scheme of life, it was just another day. But for the tribe, and especially for Mato and the child, it was a day they would remember for the rest of their lives. A day when the river almost claimed a life, but instead ended up uniting a tribe and highlighting the hero in their midst.